In this video, we are going to study permutations. Permutations is an arrangement of objects in a row in a definite order. But before that, let us understand rule of counting. Rule of counting states that if a place in a row can be filled in m different ways, following which another place can be filled in n different ways, then the total number of ways in which these two places can be filled will be m multiplied by n ways. Suppose we have to find the number of ways in which these two places can be filled. Suppose first place can be filled in m different ways, and after that the second place can be filled in n different ways. Then the total number of ways in which these two places can be filled will be m multiplied by n ways. And this is true for any number of places in a row. We will verify rule of counting through some examples. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features videos on mathematical concepts. Effort has been made to explore the concepts through basic mathematical ideas. Hope you will like my effort. Let us find out how many three-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if the repetition of the digits is allowed. For forming three-digit numbers, we have to fill these three places from these 5 numbers given. In this case, number of digits given n is 5. Now this 100th place can be filled in 5 different ways. And since repetition of digit is allowed, this second place can also be filled in 5 different ways, and so the third place in 5 different ways. Therefore, the total number of ways in which these three-digit numbers can be formed will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 5 cube, which is 125. What if repetition of digits is not allowed? In that case, the 100th place can be filled in 5 different ways. 10th place can be filled in 5 minus 1, that is 4 different ways. And units place can be filled in 5 minus 2, that is 3 different ways, because repetition of these digits is not allowed. So the total number of ways in which these three-digit numbers can be formed will be 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, that is 60 ways. We have to find how many three-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 if the digits can be repeated. Since even numbers are to be formed, the units place must be filled with 2 and 4 only. So the units place can be filled in 2 different ways. Secondly, since repetition of digits is allowed, both 100th and 10th places can be filled with 5 different ways and 5 different ways. So the total number of ways in which three-digit even numbers can be formed from these 5 digits will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2, 50 ways, or 50 such numbers can be formed. We have to find how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9. That means in this case, total number of digits will be 10. If each number starts with 67, which means first 2 digits from left should be 67 always, and there is a condition that no digit appears more than once. That is, repetition of digits is not allowed. Now for a 5-digit phone number, we have to fill 5 places in a row. In first 2 places, 67 will always be there. Now these remaining 3 places have to be filled from the remaining 10 minus 2, 8 ways, because we can't repeat the digits. So this 100th place can be filled in 8 different ways. 10th place can be filled with 8 minus 1, that is 7 different ways, and units place can be filled in 8 minus 2, that is 6 different ways. Since 67 is never going to change, we will consider 67 to be the first place which can be filled only by a single digit multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6. That will be 336 telephone numbers. So under the given conditions, we can form 336 5-digit telephone numbers. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. The outcomes will be either head or tail. That means here n is 2. How many possible outcomes are there? We have to find the number of possible outcomes in these 3 tosses. Here in each toss there will be 2 outcomes. So therefore in 3 tosses total number of outcomes will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 to cube. That means 8 possible outcomes. We are given 5 flags of different colors. That means n is 5. We have to find how many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other, like this. Answer is very easy. The top place can be filled in 5 different ways and the place below it can be filled in 5 minus 1, that is 4 different ways. So total number of signals that can be formed will be 5 multiplied by 4, 20 signals. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.